Good day, viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do that so as to enable you to have access to more of the videos I'll be uploading. So today we'll be looking at the theory of logarithm and the roots of logarithms of equations. Let's start with the first rule that says that log a to the power of b to the power of x, log a to the power of b is equal to x. So therefore we interchange. This will give you log a to the power of x will come here and b will go to the other part, which will give you x. Okay, that's the first rule. So let's use this to solve the equation. And log 2 says that when you have log a to the power of x plus log a to the power of y. These are common base. You have log a. Now, when you are giving the base as sum, which is plus, then you change it to the power to become times. So this becomes a to the power of x times y, which will give you log a to the power of xy. So what if you are giving log a to the power of x multiplied by log a to the power of y? So this would give you, we have a common log here, which is log a, and we have x. Remember your times will change to become plus y. So this is your answer. For when you are given log a to the power of x divided by log a to the power of y. We have the same log, so this will give you log a x to the divided by y. Sorry, the y will change to minus, so this will give you x minus y. So if you are given log a to the power of x minus log a to the power of y, this will give you log a. These times will change to divide, which will have x divided by y. Okay, rule 6, when you are given log a to the power of a, this will give you 1. 7, when you have log a to the power of xn, this will give you n will come to the back, n log a to the power of x. So let's solve some questions with this. If you are given log 10 to the power of 100, so this will be equal to x. Okay, so the solution, you have log 10 to the power of 100, which is x. So therefore, we are going to interchange based on the formula given to us. We interchange, x will come to this part. Okay, so we have x here equals to b. So therefore, we have log 10, x will come here equals to 100. So we are going to factorize 100 to ensure that we have the same base. So this is 100. We are going to divide it by 10. 10 in 100 will give you 10. 10 in 10 will give you 1. So we have 10 times 10 equals to 10 to the power of 2. So therefore, I have log 10 to the power of x equals to 10 to the power of 2. Okay, so 10x to the power of 2. The base are the same, so we cancel the same base. Our x is equals to what? 2. So therefore, log 10 to the power of 100 is equals to 2. So 10 to the power of 2 will give you 100. Okay? So let's look at other questions. What if you are given log 2 to the power of 16? So this will give you x. You have, remember you interchange log 2 to the power of x. X will come here and 16 will come here. So therefore we have 2x equals to factorize 16. 2 can divide 16. 2 in 16 will give you 8. 2 in 8 will give you 4. And 2 in 4 will give you 2. 2 in 2 will give you 1. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This will give you 2 to the power of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 2 to the power of what? 4. So therefore 2 can cancel 2. X is equals to what? 4. So we have log 2 to the power of 16. Your x is what? 4. So 2 to the power of 4 will give you 16. But if you are given log 3 to the power of 27, can you do this? You can do this just a few minutes. Now we'll come back to do the correction. Okay, I believe you are through with that. So this will give us equals to x. We have log 3x will come here equals to 27. So we have 3x. When you factorize this, 3 in 27 will give you 9, 3 in 9 will give you 3, 3 in 3 is 1. So you have 3 to the power of 3. So you have 3 raised to the power 3. So this will cancel this, x is equals to 3. So therefore, log 3 to the power of 27 is equals to what? 3. So 2 to the power, 3 to the power of 3 will give you 27. Let's look at other questions. What if you are given log x to the power of 27? Okay, equals to 3. So this will give you log x. We are going to interchange 3 equals to 27. So x is equals to, when you factorize this, it will give you 3 to the power of 3. So powers and power will cancel each other, so we have 3. So therefore, log 3, your x is 3, 27 equals to 3. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. What if you are given log x to the power of 16 equals to 2? Or sorry, equals to 4. The next will just give us a few minutes to solve that. I'll come back for correction. Okay? I believe you are through. So solution on this, log x to the power of 16 equals to 4. So therefore we have x4 will come here and we have 16. So x4, when you factorize 16, remember it will give you 2 to the power of 4. So 4 cancel 4, x is equals to what? 2. So therefore we have log our x is 2 to the power of 16 equals to 4. So log 2 to the power of 4 will give you 16. Okay? Okay? So with that, you can solve any equations on this. What if you are given log 9? We have log 9, 1 all over 3. So solution, log 9, 1 all over 3 equals to x. So 9, x will come here, then we have 1 all over 3. So we factorize 9. When you factorize 9, 3 in 9 is 3, 3 in 3 is 1. So we have 3 to the power of 2. Then we put our x in bracket equals to, now this can be converted. 1 all over 3 is also the same as 3 to the power of 1. You can convert 3 to the power of minus 1. Minus becomes 1. Then we have 3 all over 1, which will give you 1 all over 3. 3 to the power 1 is 3. So we converted this to this, which will give you 3 to the power of minus 1. 3 can cancel 3. So we have 2x equals to minus 1. We are going to divide both sides by 2. So 2 here and 2 here. 2 cancel 2. We have x equals to what? Minus 1 all over 2. So therefore, log 9 to the power of 1 all over 3 is equals to minus 1 all over 2. Okay? So, I believe we are getting there. So we're looking at other questions and using the second formula to solve this. Okay? So we are through with the first one. Let's work with the second formula. Log ax plus log ay, which will give us log a to the power of x times y. We have log a x y. So here, let's look at some questions on that. If you are given example 1, you are given log 4 to the power of 32 plus log 4 to the power of 2. So, solution, we have log 4 to the power of 2 plus log 4 to the power of 2. So therefore, these are common base. We are going to put it as 4 log 4, 32 multiply, remember plus will change to minus, sorry, times, which will have log 4, 32 times 2 will give you 64. Okay? So log 4 to the power of 64, which will give you x. Then log 4, 64. We are going to bring x here, then we have 64 here. Okay? So therefore, 4x equals to 4x. When we factorize this, we can factorize it as 64. 2 in 6 will give you 3, and 2 in 4 will give you 2. 2 in 32 will give you 16. 2 in 16 will give you 8. 2 in 8 will give you 4. 2 in 4 will give you 2. 2 in 2 will give you 1. So we are looking for the power. Either we have the base as 4 or the power as 4. So we join 2 together, we categorize them together. 2 times 2 will give you 4. And 2 times 2 will give you 4. 2 times 2 will give you 4. So this will give you 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 to the power of 3. So you have 4 to the power of 3. You can see that base and base are what? Are the same. So you cancel it. Your x is equals to what? 3. So if there's any area you don't understand, you are free to ask question on the comments. You can put your question there or questions. Then in the next video, I'm going to reply to your question. Okay? So this is a question on that. Okay? So we can make use of this. Okay? That is addition. That is addition. So if you are given log 4 to the power of 14 minus log 4 to the power of 7. Division, log 4 to the power of 14 minus log 4 to the power of 7. These are the same base, common base. So we have 4 to the power of 14 minus will change to what? Divide. Remember, this we have the equation here where minus will change to divide. So this will be 14 divided by 7, which will give you log 14 log 4 14 by 7. So this will give you 7 and 14 will give you what? 2. So we have x, we have 4x will come here to become 2. So we factorize 4 to become 2 to the power of 2x. Remember, when you factorize this, is 2 times 2 will give you 2 to the power of 2. We put x in the bracket. And this will give us 2. So therefore we have 2 times x will give you 2x equals to what? 2 to the power of 1. The reason is because we must correct for power. 2 to the power of 1 is still 2. So we have to put the power of 1 in order for we to have power. So 2 will cancel 2. We have 2x equals to what? 1. We divide both sides by 2. So x is equals to what? 1 all over 2. So that is the answer for this. Okay? So can I give you a question in that? Let me give you a question that you can use to solve. So let's look at another question on log. You can solve this on your own. Try it on your own. When you have 6 log 4 to the power of 8 minus log 4 to the power of 32. So you can solve this, try this in your own, and for me to do correction in that. Okay, I believe you're through with that. We are given log 6 log 4 to the power of 8 minus log 4 to the power of 32. So when you are given this, we have 6, we don't have any number here. Okay, therefore this will give us 6. We have 6 log 4 to the power of 8 minus log 4 to the power of 32. So therefore this will now give us, we have 26 to this other part. Okay, so this will give you 6 log 6 log 4. We are going to convert 8. You factorize 8. Okay, can I clean all this to stop the question? Okay, we have 6 log 4. Factorize 8. This will give you 2 in 8 will give you 4. 2 in 4 will give you 2. 2 in 2 will give you 1. So this is 2 to the power of 3. You have 6 log 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 minus log 4. You have 32. So you factorize the same way with 32. 32, you have 2. 2 in 32 will give you 16. And 2 in 16 will give you 8. 2 in 8 will give you 4. 2 in 4 will give you 2. 2 in 2 will give you 1. So we are going to, this is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will give you 2 to the power of 5. So you have 2 to the power of 5. Okay? So therefore, when you have an equation like this, you can now say 6. Remember the formula of this? Log a to the power of xn. See, that simply means we are going to take this to the back, which will give you times 3 will come to the back. 3 log 4 to the power of 2 minus 5 will come to the back. 5 log 4 to the power of 2. Okay, so therefore we have the same power. This will give you 6 log 4 to the power of 2 log 4 to the power of 2. We have the same power. Okay, so when you are given that, you now look at this and this are the same. Okay, this and this are the same. So since you have 6 here, 6 multiplied by 3 will give you 18 log 4 to the power of 2. 6 times 3 log minus 5 log 4 to the power of 2. Okay, so we have 18 minus 5 will give me 13, and log 4 to the power of 2, log 4 to the power of 2, these are common. So I have log 13 log 4 to the power of 2. So when I have log 4 to the power of 2, remember this will now give me equals to x. So we have 4 to the power of 2 equals to x. We are going to factorize this. When you have x, this will come to this, x will come here, equals to what? 2. So we factorize 4 to the power of 2, x in the bracket, equals to 2 to the power of 1. 2 will become to the power of 1. So this will cancel this. 2x equals to what? 1. So we divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel this, x is equals to 1 all over 2. Okay? So you have x is equals to 1 all over 2. Simply means we have 13. Our log 4 2 is equals to, you put it in bracket, 1 all over 2. So 13 times 1 will give me 13 over 2. So our final answer is 13 over 2. You can still convert it to this fraction. Okay, or 2 in this will give me 6 remainder 1 all over 2. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm going to drop a question here. In our next class, in the next video I'm going to upload, I will give you the correction on that. So come to this part and look at the correction, the classwork for today. If we are given 2 log 5 plus log 36 minus log 9. Sorry. 2 log 5 plus log 36 minus log 9. Okay? Make sure you try your best on that. With this information, you should be able to solve that. I will come in the next video. Please, you are free to drop your question, your comments. Okay? God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.